What's up, guys? Back here with another van life renovation. Today we're going to be installing a light bar. Don't ask why I'm dressed like a lumberjack. Okay.
So what we're going to try to do is put this curved light bar recessed into our bumper in this existing hole. So we're going to have to cut this out, slide this in, and find somewhere to mount it. Well, that's the plan.
Look at that, man. It's so nice. Alright, so once we do that,
The link will be in the...
we're going to run the wires through, and we're going to have a little switch on our dashboard to turn it on and off. This light bar was pretty cheap. It's pretty bright. We'll put the link down in the description below. Let's go ahead and cut this hole out. Here goes nothing. And just like that, we have a big hole in our fender bumper. Switching up utensils here to get a little bit cleaner of a cut. Boom. So now we have this nice and flush. The pieces we cut off. We just have these two side pieces that we're gonna have to cut off little by little. Let's see. It's hitting a lot over here and a lot over here. And then be straight down. Basically, we've just been going back and forth, cutting the bumper like a little bit here, a little bit there. But now the sides with how you bolt it on need to be here as well. So we got to cut a little bit bigger notches here for it to fit in there. So the problem we're encountering now is that oh yeah, I look crazy too, no worries. Is that the brackets have nowhere to bolt into, like once they bolt onto the lights. We got the hole for the bracket to fit on the outside of each to go into the hole that we made, but we have nowhere for the bracket to mount to. Yeah, so we have to make something to be able to reach the metal. We're gonna try to split this little piece of metal that we have here in two, and then kind of bend it to customize it to fit. Nothing is ever simple, but I guess that's the fun part, right? Once that bracket's in there, we have to bend this metal piece so that you can't see nothing, but so that it goes to that white piece right there. So this is our completed bracket for the left side here, like so. We'll bolt it down there, and then this is the bracket right here that we have to have the bolt. We are going to now make a bracket for the right side, which looks even funner. Alright guys, so these are the brackets that we got. This is on one side, we have to take the headlight off, and then this is the one on the other side. So now we're going to slide the light bar in with these brackets. We have to kind of do this in like a puzzle. I have to pop the light bar out just a little bit to get it into the crevice. Get that screw in there. Got them attached. That side and that side for the light bar. Just gotta adjust it at night to tilt it down a little bit or whatever. But we're now, the cutting's not perfect. You know, the top and bottom's good. The sides are a little rough, but it will be fine. Some folks will cover it. Now we are going to run the wiring.
Bought this cool little Amazon kit. It's got a relay and my fuse holder.
So we're wiring it to the inside first so we could figure out how much of the cable we need to have on the outside. Located on the inside, and bazinga! So now we have our cable coming from the engine bay into here, and this is where the switches are gonna go. You got it! Hold on. Hey. How far? Stuck on something. There you go. So we got our wire ran through here, and then this is the cable that's gonna run down here and go into the light. So we're going to attach all those things now. So we got our switch here. We have this one plug undone because that's the light for when it's off, and Jason only wants the light to turn on when it is on. That's hooked up. We tested it. See if we can see it reflect. Damn! Okay, so now we are going to run it through and get our hole here.
Many moons ago.
Take this out, you have to have an attitude. Oh look, this is van related. There's 3 vans over here. They're all delivery drivers. They're exchanging packages. Alright, back to work. So first you gotta pop off your little...
I haven't done this. This pops off somehow.
There you go. Seems like it's the clips over there. Uh-huh. Like so. Next, Jason thinks
We should watch a YouTube
the
video
whole
on this.
dash pops up. Couldn't find a bigger
What do I butter my toast with?
Alright, you just pry that up, and there you go. You got your whole wiring harness. Alright, so while we're here, we're also going to be adding door locks and traction control button. Oh, this is a switch that we also found at the junkyard to lock.
Why is it blinking?
I have no idea. Maybe because the car's off. What the hell? The same, but what is it? Okay, click the bottom one. Unlock.
Okay.
So both buttons do the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna get the top part. You could only hit the bottom button.
Okay.
Oh my god, look at my hair. We got everything else plugged in, but we actually have to unplug it now because our light bar switch is chumongo. So we're gonna have to take this out and shave the sides of it. After a little bit of plastic making, the switch fits in the hole. Alright guys, so there's the switch. Obviously it's a little bit big and out of place, but it's there. Works. We put our traction control, our light, and our door locks. Boom. We also put on this piece that we got at the junkyard. It was just a hole before. We'll show you what it looks like at night, but that's pretty much it for this renovation. The next one is going to be resurfacing the countertop and adding some cabinet drawers to our garage area. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Be sure to subscribe, all right? Later.
It's kind of nighttime already. Let's see how she works at night. Okay, so these are the regular headlights. And this is with the new bar. Night and day. It's crazy. And these are with high beams. And this is the light bar. I'm happy. Finally be able to see at night again.